everyone, it's Sarah. Today we're doing this a little bit different. It's vlog style. I realized when we were filming and editing our most recent video, our unfinished basement reno, so go check it out if you haven't seen it yet, that all of our footage from 2 years ago of our front room and our dining room and pretty much every single room in the house that we already shown you guys 2 years ago is super outdated. So this is an update of what everything looks like now, just a little more chill style. So here we go. So you'll remember there used to be a fish tank over here that is now upstairs in Jamie's office. The wall art has changed, I believe. This is actually a painting that was, where was that? That was in my grandfather's and grandmother's house when I grew up. So it was always above their living room couch, and so it's nice and nostalgic feeling for me. Same couch, different throw pillows, and we just have 2 side tables dressed differently with, I think these lamps are the same. We'll have to check the other footage to be sure. Of course, same cozy chair. Same chair, maybe a different pillow on it. The rug is different. And as you can see, we have all of our fall decor out. We will be doing I will be doing a winter decorating sort of video when you see all the Christmas stuff we have. Same thing here. This just happens to have all the fall colors in it, so it goes really well in the room when it's fall decorated. And then same thing, reserved for the dog. There's one dog. There's the other dog. They don't really sit in that chair, but that's fine. And then again, here's the dining room. That's completely different. I mean, the walls are the same, except for the horse painting on the back. The carpet's the same, but all the furniture is different. This is a new, well, it's a fall table runner, obviously, with our fall centerpiece. And then we have this new hutch. Okay, let me start from the beginning. So these pieces, I can't remember if these were here or not before. If they were, I'm sorry if I'm saying this again, but those are from Leon's, the matching pieces. We got them super cheap. And then we have, this is a new dining table. It's from Leon's. We actually did not get it from As Is. We splurged on a Black Friday sale. We just want a really nice piece in here. So that's all the same. Hi, Mill Mill. Then we have this new horse painting. I love this. I got this for $30. My work had this big set decor sort of sale, and this was one of the pieces, and everyone was super jealous that I grabbed it first, and I love it. And it ties in all the cream colors and stuff that are in our living room over there. So yeah, that's that. Light fixture is the same. This cabinet is new. This is actually an antique. I can't remember how old it is. It's very old. Oh, this door's open. My Aunt Gail was very kind, and she was moving and she let us have this, and it's absolutely gorgeous. All the detail work on it, you know, a true antique. And as you can see on it, I kind of put our fall leaves on top in this bowl, which we got from Jamie's grandparents for my birthday. I just put some more orange toned things. All the stuff on it right now is because it was my birthday, and a lot of people brought wine, and then birthday cards, obviously. So another thing on here, we have just these like little pumpkin sort of vases. Let me just fix that. Pumpkin vases. This is from our honeymoon when we were in Greece. That's a photo of my parents, I'm assuming for Halloween. And then we do this thing where we collect different salt and pepper shakers for different like sort of significant things. So this is a place to go camping every year. This is from the Toronto Zoo, where we spent our 1-year anniversary and kind of camped at the campgrounds and all that stuff. These were from Jamie's parents, these little beagles, Millie and Milo, for our wedding shower, and these were from a honeymoon in Croatia. Yeah, just more orange stuff. This will all be changed out as the Christmas decor, you know, comes in. So that's that. And then here, this is our DIY table that we did, if you saw that video. I just, you know, I wanted to put the orange vase that we also got like for $5, and these are just from the dollar store, just again bring more color in for the fall season. So I'm sure you guys can tell all the differences in the room. I'll probably insert some befores, what you guys saw in our first reveal, and then what everything looks like now. That is it. That is sort of the update for the front formal living room, if you will, and our formal dining space. If you guys are interested to see what the rest of our house looks like now, because nothing, like I said, looks the same, then let me know and I'll do another sort of informal update video for you guys if you're interested. Oh my goodness, I'm very white. We had our first snowfall yesterday. How are you guys doing in the chair? How are you guys doing? Yeah. Don't cry.